Assalamu alaikum again, my dear students. Welcome for math session with your teacher, Mr. Muhammad Salah. In our today's lesson, we're going to complete lesson 4.1, ratios. Here in question 5, 6, and 7, I asked you to see your solutions and let us correct them right now. Question number 5 says, when is arranging flowers in vases. For every 1 rose she uses 6 tulips. Again, for every 1 rose she uses 6 tulips.
Hi, Mr.
Hi, Fat. Complete the table to show the ratio of roses and tulips. He says, for every 1 rose, there are 6 tulips beside them. Okay, if you have 2, so what is the answer for the first one who raised his hand here? Adam, what did you write in the book?
Yes, Mister.
What did you write in the book?
I wrote 12,
12. Then
18,
18, then
and 24.
24. Explain for us. How many roses do you have here?
1.
And what is the increasing number to get to?
2. 1, I mean.
1, yes. The increasing number
So
is
so 6, we add 6.
yes.
So it becomes 12. And when we add 6 to 12, it becomes 18. And 18, 24. Basically like multiplication.
Like, good job. So here
So basically you multiply 6 by 2, 12, 6 by 3, 18, 6 by 4, 24.
excellent answer. Good job. Please, guys, if you didn't write the answer here, write. Or if you answered
I
wrong,
wrote.
fix your answer. Thank you, Adam, for the solution and explanation. Abdullah Basri, here in question,
Sir, can I answer?
according to your hand raising, please respect your hand raising turn. On the 6th grade field trip, there are 8 students for every 1 adult. There are 8 students for every 1 adult. This is the main sentence in the question. Complete the table to show the ratio of students to adults. Okay. The question says 8 students for every 1 adults. So if you have 2 adults, how many students should be right here? Should be written here. Huh? Abdullah Basri, your turn. Abdullah Basri, what should you write here? Okay, let's take Muhammad Sami. Get Abdullah Basri.
What, Mr. What, Mr.
Muhammad Sami. Okay, Abdullah.
Abdullah Basri.
Answer.
Here is 16.
Good job. And if you have 24 students, how many adults? Or that?
3.
3, yes. If you have 4 adults, how many students?
32.
32. Excellent. What is the increasing?
Very easy.
What is the increasing number each time here? What is the increasing number? 8 plus what equals 16?
8.
Plus 8. 16 plus what equals 24?
8.
The increasing number is
8.
so, and here the increasing
1.
number is excellent.
Here 1.
1, 1. Good job, Abdullah Basri. Thanks for the solution.
Welcome.
Muhammad Sami, question number 7. I need you to make a model, Muhammad Sami. Muhammad Sami, question 7. Question 7 says, Zina adds 4 cups of flour for every 3 cups of sugar in her recipe. So again,
Okay.
do you understand? 4 cups of flour?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. For every 3 cups of sugar in her recipe. Draw a model. He wants you to make a model. Draw a model that compares cups of flour to cups of sugar. So first, you need to make a model, draw circles to represent cups of flour. How many cups of flour?
4 cups.
Yeah, 4.
We need 4 circles.
3, 4. Can I write F to represent the flour?
Yeah.
It's better.
And then we need 3.
3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Can I write S, S, S?
For sugar.
Good job, Muhammad. This is the model I want you to draw below the question. If you finished, guys, your handwriting, so you are super. And if you answered like me, you are super. And I would like to say thank you. All right.
Okay.
Let's go to page what? New lesson, lesson 4.2. Have you finished first your handwriting?
Yes, Master.
Yes.
Okay. In our today's lesson, lesson 4.2 in page 217, before we start our today's lesson, I want to show you this sheet. What is this sheet? Here, the name of the sheet is Authentic Assessment. Authentic Assessment. This is a sheet to follow your attendance and participation, homework for all days per week, okay? And here, every week, inshallah, on Thursday, you know, maybe you have Kahoot and quiz, okay? And sometimes Kahoot. I will give you the mark here, okay? So every week, I will fill here all the parts front of your name, and I'm gonna send this worksheet or this authentic sheet, authentic assessment, to the social worker, Mr. Mishari. And if he found there is no mark here for the homework, there is no mark here for the homework, for example, 5. Here there is no homework mark, there is no mark for the homework. So front of your name, he will call your parent and tell them about your homework didn't complete it, okay? So why didn't you complete the homework of this week? Take care, guys. So here in our report on Think Central homework, I saw some of you who completed their homeworks and the other didn't complete anything, okay? The first one.
There was homework on Think Central?
Yeah.
There was?
Oday, I think he finished. Muhammad Jubran finished, and he got 100%. Muhammad Isam, he finished. Who Hassan Saleh Al-Mahdi, I think, for this one, just a minute. Who his father named Hassan Saleh Al-Mahdi? I think Saleh. Am I right? Saleh Al-Mahdi, yeah. He finished. And Yusuf al-Nadri, he finished. Muhammad Haddad, he finished. Ahmed al-Mahdi, he finished. And who's Muhammad Ibrahim? His father name is Muhammad Ibrahim.
Mister, that is me.
Okay, Ahmed. Okay. And here, Taruti Adam.
Yes.
Okay, and here Muhammad Sami.
Mister, I'm the only tarot in this place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tarot is the only one name not repeated.
Okay.
Only.
What about the others?
Yes.
You didn't finish tomorrow.
But Muhammad like 6,000 times.
Take care. If you didn't finish yesterday homework and today is homework, tomorrow I'm gonna see your report and I'm gonna minus you. Okay? Take care about this in the authentic sheet. Okay, guys? Do you understand?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's start our today's lesson. Lesson 4.2. Okay? Lesson 4.2 is talking about ratios and rates. What is the meaning of ratios? We have studied the meaning of ratios yesterday. And I need
Can I say?
Yeah, I need one of you to tell me the meaning of ratio.
Can I say what does ratio mean?
Yeah, here you are. You can.
Mr. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities by division.
Excellent division. Excellent. Good job. Is a
I
comparison.
memorized it.
Is a comparison of two quantities by using division. Excellent. What is the meaning of rate? That we will study inshallah right now. How do you write ratios and rates? That we're gonna ask ourselves when we finish this lesson, this essential question. How do you write ratios and rates? What can you see in the picture here? Maybe
Birds,
tell me.
eagles, birds, Mr. Birds.
Birds, yes. I think this is a hawk. Am I right? And this is
An eagle,
eagle, yeah. And this is
Yeah.
owl.
an owl.
Owl, yes.
Sir, you should give this to first graders, these pictures.
Okay, but I put them for you to show what is the new problem we're going to talk about. Okay? Okay, so let me read, please, and answer with one of you. Here, in Unlock the Problem, the question says, a paired rescue group is caring for 3 eagles, 2 hawks, and 5 owls in their rescue center. I know most of you know the meaning of rescue group. Rescue group, persons who are caring for peers, okay, in their rescue center. I think you understand the meaning of rescue group. Am I right? All right. You can compare the numbers of different types of periods using ratios. So how can I compare between the 3 numbers of beards? By using ratios. There are 3 ways to write the ratio of owls to eagles in the rescue center. He wants you to write the ratio between 2 types only. What is the first type, he says? Here he says owls. What is the second type? He says eagles. So look at the number of owls first. Where's owls? Owls, yeah, here 5. So you must write 5 first. 2, the number of eagles. Eagles, 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 yeah, 3. So 5 to 3. And this way is called using words. This way is called words. Okay? This method is called words. Word form, for example, word form. The second word as a fraction, or the second method as a fraction. You can read it 5/3 according to our fraction reading. Or you can say 5 to 3, 5 to 3. The same thing before here, 5 to 3. The third way, or the third method, 5 colons 3. And I can read it by the same way for the first word way, 5 to 3, 5 to 3. Okay? Okay. So I'm gonna ask Abdullah Bakhorji, can you read this way?
Yes, Mister. With a column, 5, 2 dots, 3.
Yeah, I need you to say only 5 to 3. Okay?
Yes, 5 to 3.
Fahd Ahmed Omar, can you read
Mister,
this?
I saw the whole pages for the lesson, Mister. I understand it by myself, Mister. Before you enter.
Yes, Mister.
Good job, Abdullah. Please mute yourself. Let's talk to Fahd. Fahd, can you read the second way? Read it on
5/3.
5/3 or
5/3.
5 to 3. Okay? So take care about this reading, please. It's important for you to know how can you read ratios. And they are important because we're gonna ask you about how can you write them in this question, share and show. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Fahd, complete and answer, please. Here, Fahd again, please, answer.
Yes. Write the ratio of the numbers of red bars to blue stars. 1 second. 2, 3, 4,
First, he
5,
says
6, 7,
red
8.
red bars.
Oh wait. I know it. 8 to 3.
8 to 3. Okay, I'm
Yes.
gonna write your answer here outside. 8. You said 8. to 3,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's read the question again. Write the ratio of the number of what? Red bar.
Red bars.
So the first term is red bar. And the second
So
term,
is it 3 to 8?
yeah. So the correct answer,
Mm.
because the first part here, red bar, and the second part or the second term, blue stars. So don't
Yes.
answer by this way, okay?
Yes.
So you understood right now how can you write and read ratio. Okay, let's complete question number 2 with another student. Uday? Uday,
Yes, Mister.
read please.
Write the ratio in 2 different ways.
Yeah. The first is quickly please.
Fraction.
Yeah. Fraction like what? Uday,
8
keep your
over 3 over 16.
quiet place. Keep yourself in a quiet place. Okay? 8 over 16. Good job. And
8, then the column, and then 3. 2 columns and
8 to 16 with 2 columns. Thank you, Uday, for this solution. I think it's easy question. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali. Can you write 4 over
Yes, Mister.
4 in 2 different ways?
Yeah.
Answer, please.
Okay.
What is the first way in your answer? Huh?
4 to 24.
4 to 24. Good job. Excellent.
And the second, 4.24.
Yeah. 4, 2 columns, 24. And
24.
how can I read it? Tell me, how can I?
4 to 24.
Excellent. 4 to 24. Thank you, Muhammad, for this solution. Saleh. Question number 4,
You're
Saleh.
welcome.
Saleh. What is Saleh? Omar Hamza.
Yes.
Here, answer Omar. How can you write 1 to 3 in another 2 different ways?
1 to 3 and 1 over 3.
1, 2, 3 by word, okay? And
1 over 3.
1
Fraction.
over 3 as a fraction. Good job, Omar. Excellent. Omar, can I write 3 to 1?
No.
No. Why? Tell me why.
Because in the column it says 1 first.
Yeah.
1 column 3.
First term is 1. So here in our answer, first term should be 1. Excellent. Good explanation, Omar. Thank you. Muhammad Haddad.
Yes, Mister.
Yeah, Muhammad, question 5. How can I?
Write it 7 and 2 columns, then a 9.
Excellent answer. The second one.
And write it 7 over 9.
Yeah, 7 over 9. Good job. Excellent. So right now you have known how can you read and write ratios by using 3 methods. Okay, so let's get back to page 217. Let me ask you, have you finished your handwriting here, guys? Have you finished your handwriting?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Here we go to page 217. Let's get back to page 217. If you want to understand this sentence that I will highlight, okay, you need to be patient. Ratios can be written to compare a part to a part. How? Here he says in question A, owls to hawks. Do you remember the number of owls? Huh? Who can remember me about the number of owls? Muhammad Sami again?
Mister, there were 4.
It was 4. Okay, and the number of hawks? Huh? Muhammad. Hawks, can you see? 2. There is no 4, Muhammad. It was 5. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. I'm talking about owls and hawks. Okay?
5 and 2.
5 and 2. Okay, this is the first way. And the second way, what should I write as a fraction?
5/2.
5/2. And the third way,
5 2.2.
5 to 2. This is called part to a part. Okay, so
Okay.
this is part 5 here for owls, and the owls here represent a part from my question, and the hawks is another part from my question. So ratios can be written to compare a part to a part. Do you understand, guys, this point?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, so let us complete. Just a minute, and I hope all of
Do I
you
mute?
write the answer. Yeah, write the answer with me. The second thing in this sentence, a part to a whole. A part to a whole. Question B, he says, eagles to total birds. Eagles to total birds. So what is the number of eagles? Abdulaziz and Nusayr. Abdulaziz, do you hear me? Abdulaziz, do you hear me, Abdulaziz?
Yes, Mister. Yes.
What is the number of eagles in the question, Abdulaziz? Unlock the problem. What is the number of eagles? Do you remember? Do you see in your book?
Right.
Here,
Yes, I
Abdulaziz.
see it.
Yeah, what is it?
3 eagles, 2 hawks, and 5 owls.
Yeah. What is the total number of birds here? What is the total number of birds?
Total number
The total number.
10.
Yes, you're right. 2 plus 3 plus 5. They are 10.
Yeah.
So, Abdulaziz, the answer here in the question, eagle is 3.
5 to 3.
3 for eagles first. And the total
Okay.
number, what is the total number that you said?
5.
The total birds. The total number of birds.
10.
10. So here the ratio between eagles to the total birds, 3 to 10. Do you understand, Abdulaziz?
Yeah.
By another way,
Yes.
3 over 10. By another way, by using colon, 3 to 10. Okay? And this question represents part to whole. Here, this is a part, and this is a whole. A whole, I mean the total number of all birds. Do you understand, Abdulaziz?
Yes.
Okay, can you answer question C? The total birds, he says first.
Okay. Total birds in rescue center, 2 hawks.
Yeah, 2 hawks. So what should I write here?
2 hawks.
Total birds number here first.
Total birds
Total
is
number.
5.
The total number is 5. The total number of birds is 5. The total number of birds is 5. Are you sure?
No.
What did you say?
It's is it 3? No, I mean 2.
I mean all of them. I need all of them. 2, 3, and 5. I mean all of them.
Oh, 10.
10. So the total, Abdulaziz, I'm talking about the total. 2 what? 2 hawks. What is the number of hawks?
Yes.
What is the number of hawks in the question? Quick.
Hawks is 2.
2. Good job. So the ratio is 10 to 2. By another way, as a fraction, 10 over 2. By another way, 10, 2 columns, 2. And this question represents whole 2 part. Whole first, Abdulaziz. We wrote 10 first. So the whole number, it was 10. And the part number was 2. Do you understand, Abdulaziz, this question? Carefully.
Yep. It was easy.
It was easy, alhamdulillah. So please write the answers like me in their blanks. Exactly.
Okay.
Here, guys. Do you understand the question? Tell me yes.
Yes.
All of
Yep.
you. Okay. So right now we have studied ratios only. And how can we write ratios by 3 methods? How can we read ratios? And we know the second information. Ratios can be written to compare a part to a part here, a part to a whole, or a whole to a part. Do you understand, guys, here? So
Yes.
let's go to question example here in page 218. Turn your page to 218 for this example. Okay, guys? Abdullah Naeem. Are you with me, Abdullah Naeem? Abdullah Naeem, a restaurant sells veggie burgers at the rate of $4 for 1 burger. So we understood the question, we understood the sentence, we understood a restaurant sells the veggie burgers at the rate of $4 for each burger. Okay? Okay. What rate gives the cost of 5 veggie burgers? 5 veggie burgers. The first question here, what rate gives the cost of 5 veggie burgers? I need you to imagine yourself and your friends. You are 5 friends, okay? So every one of you is going to eat 1 veggie burger, and you need to buy 5 veggie burgers because you are 5 friends. Each burger costs $4. Okay, so what is the total cost? Think and put your answer inside your mind. Okay? Okay, guys, do you hear me very well? Say yes, please.
Yes.
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Write the rate for 5 burgers using words as a fraction and with a column. So let us see. What is the meaning of rate? What do you mean, teacher, by the word rate? A rate is, please highlight this with me. A rate is a ratio. A rate is a ratio. So the rate has the same meaning of ratio. That compares 2 quantities. Okay, that compares 2 quantities. We know that about ratio. That have different units of measure. So this is a different thing in rate. A ratio compares between 2 quantities, but they have different units of measure.
Mr. The session ended.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna complete this test, and inshallah tomorrow think about this solution and let us talk about it tomorrow, inshallah. What is your homework today? The homework is question 7.
I think Central.
Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and on Think Central also. On Think.
Thanks,
Okay.
Mister, for
Bye,
letting
Mister.
me
I already
know.
did all of them. This I just need to do some Central homework. I already done 7, 8, 9, 10 already.
Inshallah tomorrow, guys. Assalamu alaikum.